Reasons for imperialism. Part 1. Various reasons for imperialism are: scientific inventions. Scientists invented extraordinary things which helped in rapid industrial development. Speed of communication and transportation increased remarkably due to the inventions of steam power, electricity, coal, and iron. New weapons were developed which shone their power during establishment of imperialism. Industrial Revolution. Inventions gave rise to new efficient machines which boosted the production process, and hence large number of goods were produced. As a result, it became difficult to sell the product within the boundary. Hence, producers felt the need of new markets. Need of raw material. No doubt the production was increased, but at the same time, consumption of raw materials for production was also increased, which led to scarcity of raw materials. Similarly, to sell more goods, people started thinking about minimizing the production cost so that product prices would be cheaper. Therefore, need of cheaper raw material was increased. These can be easily obtained from the colonies, and hence European nations get attracted towards Asian and African countries. Prosperity of Asia and Africa. Asia and Africa were very rich in natural resources. African soil was rich in minerals such as gold, silver, diamonds, iron, and coal. And Asian nations were rich in production of spices. Thus, Europeans turned towards Asian and African countries.